today. Who knows what time it is? Late afternoon. I'm stepping away from the sex series, putting that on the shelf for a little bit, and I am going to do a Halloween special today, where I'm going to show you how to make not one, but 3 cocktail beverages. Alright, so let's get this Halloween party started. The first drink I'm going to make is called a brain hemorrhage. So, to make this drink, you will need 3 ingredients. You will need peach schnapps, Irish cream, and some grenadine. You'll also need a shot glass. First thing we're going to do is pour the peach schnapps into the shot glass until it's about 3/4 of the way full, like that. Next, we're going to lay the Baileys on top, or the Irish cream. I don't have a pourer, so I'm going to use a spoon. Nicely done. Perfectly layered. And now for the finishing touch, I'm going to add some grenadine. And we're just going to drop this down ever so slightly. And it gives it this really cool effect. Now this is a brain hemorrhage shot. Cheers. I know my facial expression doesn't show, but that's actually quite good. Very tasty, easy to drink. It's kind of got this really funky texture. It's curdled a little bit, so cordial Baileys creates this curdled-like consistency, but it's not overpowering. That's a really easy shot and it looks amazing. Great to serve at a Halloween party. All right, now the next drink we're going to make is the Witch's Brew. Alright, so to make Witch's Brew, you will need vodka, blue caracal, triple sec, some black sanding sugar, and the juice of 1 lime. Obviously a fresh lime, fresh is best. Alright, so to make this drink, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rim my glass. So I'm just going to put my black sanding sugar on here. Next, I'm going to cut my fresh lime. And I'm just going to cut a little bit here. And I'm just going to rim this around the glass, like so. Okay, so my glass is rimmed with black sanding sugar. I'm just going to put that aside over here for the moment. Move the sugar. And next thing we're going to do is just add our fresh lime juice in here. It doesn't matter if the pips get in here because I'm straining it anyway. Next, I'm adding 1 shot of vodka, 1 shot of blue caracal, and then 1 shot of triple sec. Then put the lid on and we shake. And there you have it. This is your witch's brew. That's so yummy. It's really fresh, limey, and zesty. Can't really taste the alcohol in there. It is so good, and I think I have a blue tongue. All right, guys. So the next drink we are going to make is a
Walking Dead zombie cocktail.
I am a zombie. I'm a toxic zombie. That's all they had left in the store. Alright, so to make the Walking Dead cocktail, you will need Kahlua, I can't see, Kahlua, vodka, milk, some chocolate topping, some caramel topping, and some homemade sugar syrup with red dye. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add 2 shots of vodka to my shaker filled with ice. 1, 2. I'm then adding 1 shot of Kahlua. I'm adding 3 shots of milk. You could use cream. And then you're going to add a squirt of caramel topping. Whoop, it's a decent squirt. Put the lid on, and then we shake like a zombie. Actually, that's really not going to work. I'm going to have to shake fast. Okay, well shaken. So the thing about the Walking Dead cocktail is that you want it to look like blood, guts, skin. This person is obviously very tanned. I'm very pasty. Well, not right now, I'm kind of green, but you know, this is a tanned human being. All right, so to decorate this glass, first thing we're going to do is add a bit of sugar syrup down the edges. So you kind of just want to get that down there, like that. Okay, see? Next, we're just adding a bit of chocolate sauce. And a little bit of caramel sauce. And then gonna add some ice. I might just sprinkle a bit more red stuff in here. So I want this to kind of look a bit scary. And then I'm just gonna pour. Put a bit more of this red stuff on top. And voila, we are done. This is a Walking Dead zombie cocktail.
Brain juice.
Alright, well, I'm not a very good zombie actor, but honestly, this drink is really delicious. It tastes exactly like a White Russian, just a little bit sweeter, I think, from all the chocolate, caramel, and red sugar syrup. Alright guys, well, that brings me to the end of my Halloween episode today. So, have a wonderful Halloween. Make sure you try some of these drinks, and I'll catch you next time for another cocktail episode. Alright, if you want to see more, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you soon.
Bye.